Give your eyes a moment of deep rest. This is palming, a gentle relaxation technique from the Bates method to improve vision. Take off your glasses. Pay attention. During many exercises, keep your head straight. Let your eyes do the moving, not your neck. Avoid abrupt movements. Perform movements smoothly. Use a bigger screen if you can to increase eye movement, muscle engagement, and amplitude. Let's get started. Rub your hands together until they feel warm. Gently cup your palms and place them over your closed eyes, like a cozy little dome. Lower your shoulders, relax, and settle into a comfortable position. We begin our healing palming session. Now we start to relax the muscles around our eyes. Our eyes are good. Our eyes are resting. With regular practice, our vision will improve more and more each day. The eye muscles are letting go, relaxing completely. If you're nearsighted, imagine the transverse muscles of your eyes softening. Picture your eyes becoming round again, like little spheres, seeing clearly into the distance without glasses. If you're farsighted, imagine the longitudinal muscles releasing. Feel your eyes gently elongating, like little cucumbers, allowing you to see clearly up close, effortlessly, without glasses. If you still see lingering lights or patterns behind your closed eyes, imagine something perfectly black and uniform, like a velvet theater curtain. Dark, deep, and calm. Now comes the most important part of palming. Bring to mind a pleasant memory. A happy memory relaxes the mind, which relaxes the muscles of your face and your eyes. And relaxation is what gives your eyes clear, effortless vision. Relaxation is the foundation of the Bates method. Letting go of tension is even more important than exercising the eye muscles themselves. Now everyone has their eyes closed, palms resting gently over their eyes. Sit comfortably, elbows on the table. With your eyes still covered, open them. Blink, blink, blink. Now let's do some eye exercises, right here under your palms. Look up, down, up, down, up, down. Good. Blink, blink, blink. Now look right, left, right, left, right, left. Blink, blink, blink. Diagonals. Look up to the right, then down to the left. Up right, down left. Up right, down left. Blink, blink, blink. Now the opposite diagonal. Look up to the left, then down to the right. Up left, down right. Up left, down right. Blink, blink, blink. Rectangle. Now draw a rectangle with your eyes. Trace the top edge, side down, bottom edge, side up. Top edge, side down, bottom edge, side up. Top, side down, bottom, side up. Top, side down, bottom, side up. Blink, blink, blink. The clock face. Look up to 12 o'clock and slowly trace the circle. 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, back to 12. Again, 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. Blink, blink, blink. Now Now counterclockwise. 12, 9, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6, 3, 12. Blink, blink, blink. Snake. Eyes to the left. Draw a gentle snake from left to right. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And back from right to left. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, all the way. Blink, blink, blink. Exiting palming. Everyone still has their eyes closed, palms resting gently. Sit up straight. With your eyes still covered, gently squeeze your eyes tight and relax. Squeeze, relax. Squeeze, relax. One more time. Squeeze, relax. Now slowly remove your palms from your face. Keep your eyes closed. Gently nod your head up and down, like saying yes, yes, yes. Now shake your head side to side, like saying no, no, no. Again. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. Move your neck if it feels stiff. Find a comfortable position. And finally, just like when you were a child, rub your eyes gently with your little fists. Inhale and exhale. Now open your eyes. Blink quickly. Blink, blink, blink. Look around the room. Take in your surroundings. Notice anything? The colors look richer, more vibrant. That's because we've just flooded your visual cones, the cells in your retina responsible for color vision, with oxygen and nutrients. Now, if you have a vision chart nearby, take a look. No squinting, just blink quickly. Blink, blink, blink. And see how many lines you can read now without your glasses. Notice the progress you've made. Thank you for being here today. Never skip eye day. See you tomorrow.